Hello, 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 and welcome everyone to this virtual demo day event. Welcome everyone. So we're just on time. Let's slowly start this event in order to allow everyone to join us on the live streaming on YouTube that should be live and shared with everyone right now. So let me just give you some information, and then I will leave the stage to the rock stars that will be our students that at the end of their journey with Epicode, they're about to graduate, presenting to the audience the project they have been working on the past 4 weeks. So, as you know, at Epicode, we're on the mission of training the next generation of software developers, starting from Europe. I am Diego. I'm the CTO and CPO at Epicode. That means that I'm in charge of the technological part and of the programs, the learning system, and everything that that goes in that sense. The timetable for today would be pretty straightforward. We are having the demo day kickoff right now, a quick intro, and then it will be all about the students that are graduating today. First, before explaining anything else, I would like to give a big round of applause to our teaching staff that helped us in training students from all over Europe in order to make them software engineers on the technologies of this course that is the MERN stack. So thanks to all of them, because without their hard work, nothing of this would have been possible. Of course, the other side of the equation is also the companies that will be attending this event and will check your profiles, students, on the Hiring platform after you join the career session and everything is ready for that. And the companies are choosing our talents every day. And we have some of the best companies all over Europe hiring from our pool of candidates. And we're super proud of being working with these hiring partners. Just quick words about the teaching systems. As some of you already knows, we really strongly believe in live classes. So the students have to go through a set of 6 months of live classes in which we train both the hard and soft skills, because we know that each and every one of the developers that will join the job markets in the upcoming weeks will be most likely part of a team. And to function as a part of the team, they need to know how to use the tools to work in a team, but also how to manage the challenges that might arise with the teammates, how to organize and how to work with the project and product manager that might be on the other side. And therefore, we focus our learning on both sides of the equation. And they going in this very same direction. It's not only about individual training, but we also teach them and they learn how to work in pairs and how to work in team. Because in each unit, we include a little of computer science theory that allows them to better understand the fundamentals that are underneath the technologies that they are using to build the applications and system they're building. Some hands-on learning in which they are really coding with the teacher, some challenging homework in order to prove themselves that they are learning, and they need to, give their 10,000 keystrokes before becoming proficient developers. Build weeks that are some build-only weeks that runs every 4 weeks that allows them to work in a team on a project under the guide of a teacher or teaching assistant that will set for them deadline, will teach them how to manage the task, conflicts, etc., etc., etc. And of course, also some portfolio challenges that are the project the students are building that will be part of their portfolio that will be available on the hiring platform. Some info about the demo day event. Just to set your expectation, this project starts from the first line of code, apart from the boilerplate, of course. That means that we're not just scraping and giving them a clone of Airbnb and they have just to connect the dots, but they're building it starting from their own idea that our teaching staff approves and with their only and solely strength. So no team project. This is a free solo. It looks like the video that you are seeing on the screen, like in a free fall without any rope to sustain you in these 4 weeks of building at the end of the job. So please evaluate each and every student based on the fact that he or she was alone and had very few weeks to decide a project, commit to it, and give his or her 100% to achieve the goal. A reminder for the student, please do not panic. There is no going back now. So in a few seconds, I will invite to the stage the first of our panelists. So good luck to each and every one of you. And now Akbar should be joining me. And of course, thank you very much to each and every one of you for being here. Let me just stop my presentation and let me allow also the presentation from other persons. And okay, everything should be fine. The stage is yours.
Hello, hello, sound check, video check.
Everything is fine.
Good. So, hello everyone. My name is Akbar and I live in Hamburg in Germany. Thank you for joining us today. So, I'm a full stack web developer. Today, I'm excited to present my project that is based on my experience, which is a restaurant management system. Imagine being in a restaurant where the waiter takes your order and then goes to a terminal to perform some actions. This system streamlines that process. Let me show you how it works. The system is designed for touchscreen terminals only, and users can access it with unique code. Once logged in, the user can click on the table to order dishes. We have Caesar, Greek, and save it for the later usage. When another user is logged in with a unique code, he cannot access to the table which is already booked by another user. But when the admin is logged in, he can access all the tables and also see the archives, the previous checks, and currently live orders. When the guests are finished, the admin or the waiter can close the check by setting on the discount amount, the tip, and at the end, how much did they paid. By clicking on the close the check, everything is saved in the database, and we are proceeding to the main menu. At the end of the day, the admin can close the session by counting how many cash does he have in his register, and by comparing it to the today's sales and the close the session. But he counts the question, where does all this data comes from and goes to? And to manage all this data, the system comes with an admin panel that allows the user to access all the sales statistics. Here we are. Like all the sales statistics with a chart filtered by the date, and also that are exportable as an Excel file. Additionally, the admin can see the products, filter them by the name or by the category. Also the add new products as well as the edit them. It also goes to the products, the ingredients, the categories. Also admin, here we have. Additionally, the admin can rearrange the table positions by its shape, rescaling them, and savings for the later usage. At the end, the admin has also access to edit the users, their unique terminal code, their position, and the salary. Position are usually sets of access to the certain part of the panel. For example, super user has access to everything, where a cook has access only to the menu and warehouse, and the waiter has access to nothing at all. So that's my project. Thank you for your attention. If you're interested in seeing more of my works, please visit my portfolio or the GitHub page. I'm available for the full stack, front-end, back-end, and all JavaScript-related jobs in Hamburg on-site or Germany remote. Thank you for your time.
Awesome. Thank you very much, Daniel. Now it's time for Daniel to present.
Hello, good afternoon, everybody. My name is Daniel. I am currently located in Coventry in England, and I'd like to share with you today my application, which is called Dig In. The concept will be very familiar to most of you. It is an application which will allow you to order food from your local restaurants or takeaways and have it delivered to your door. Just to demonstrate the customer journey, upon entering the application, you'll be invited to make an account where you put all your details on and your delivery address. Once that is done, you are able to enter your location, or for convenience, you can have your browser detect your location and then you can search. It will then show all of the restaurants in your local area which are available for delivery. So we're going to have something from the Burger and Pizza Shack. And here you can see the menu and all the items that are available. So we're going to order some garlic bread. And as you can see, the minimum order is £15, so we need to add a little bit more. So let's have a meat lovers pizza as well. You can see your checkout just here, and you can now place your order. Before placing your order, you can verify that the order is correct with the fees and the charges all added together. And now you're invited to enter your payment details. Now, payment details are very secure for a lot of people. So the payment provider is a third-party trusted provider, which has been implemented into the website. You can then pay, and your order has been submitted and sent to the restaurant. You can head over to your order page to view your orders. On the other side of this, there is also a restaurant dashboard, which will allow the restaurants to see the orders which have come in and manage the orders. So they can see this order has been sent with a garlic bread and a meat lovers pizza. They can then accept the order. And then once they're finished, they can complete the order, which will then send a notification to the customer telling them they can expect their order anytime soon. As well as the dashboard, they have this page, which will allow the restaurant to add categories to their menu, and then also add items to the menu for people to order. And we can see cheesecake is now available to anyone who wants to order that. So I want to thank you for taking the time to watch my pitch. My name's Daniel. I'm based in Coventry in England, and I'm available for any full stack developer role within the Midlands area or any remote opportunities that might be available. Thank you very much.
Awesome. Thank you, Daniel. Now it's time for Alexandra to take the stage.
Hi. Just a second. I'll share my screen.
Sure.
This is my screen?
Yes, it's working.
Okay. Just a second. Hi, my name is Alexandra and I'm from Romania. In the next moments, I will take you on a quick tour of my social media platform, but first I would like to log in with an already created account. But if you don't have one, you can just register from here. As I said before, my project is a social media for movies. Basically, it's the place where you can share with your friends what movies you want to watch or you already watch and the rating that you gave them. After logging in, you land on the homepage, which is the newsfeed of my social media platform. And whenever a friend of yours will add a new movie to his watch list or will rate a movie, this information will appear here. You can search for any friends from here, from the top of the page. And you'll go to the profile page of friends from where you can follow or unfollow. You have my movies section from where you can, it's loading, but from where you will be able to see your watch list and all the movies that you have in your on the Discover section, I will go back to my movies if the internet will allow it. But you have also a discover section from where you can filter the movies of your friends by some criteria. For instance, let's check for Emmys Frost, the movies, family movies rated by 9. And those are the movies that you have. Hopefully my movies will load now. Okay, so we are back on. On the movies page, you have your recently searched movies. You have all your movies filtered by categories, and a carousel with all the movies from your watch list. From the top of the page, you can just search for a new movie. For instance, this one. And you can remove it from your watch list. And you can edit back, and you can even rate it from here. You can manage your profile from profile information from your profile page, from where you can update your cover image, you can update your profile information, and you have some information about the top 5 rated movies, and your recently watched movies. The technologies I used for my projects are, for the backend part, Express, Node, and Mongo, and for the frontend part, React, Redux, and TypeScript, even if it's not visible for you. But it's a big achievement for me because I had the time to learn it and more about it, and now I feel more confident using it. Thanks for your time and attention, and I hope you like my project. You can always contact me on LinkedIn as Alexandra Alexandrescu, or if you want to see more of my project, you can visit my GitHub account. I'm looking forward to work as a front-end developer in London or remote, but I'm also open for another locations. I want to thank Epicode and Ricardo for being beside me those past weeks for building my Capstone projects.
Awesome. Thank you very
you.
much, Alexandra. Now it's time for David to present.
Hello, can you hear me?
Loud and clear.
Okay. Hello, everyone. I am David. I'm currently based in the UK, in Birmingham, and I'm really excited to showcase my project with you today. So TX Sports is a platform offering gamers and gaming communities a place to connect and to compete in different tournaments or game events. So I'm going to sign in right here on the right with this player account. And here we have the dashboard. We can see our joined events, our team. So we can go to our team, for example, we can see the team page. We can leave this team. We can also kick someone. So we'll kick someone just to show how we would join a team. So now, right now we kick Tom from the team. We're gonna sign in right here with Tom. We're gonna go to teams and we can search this team and we can request to join it. Right, and right here, because only the owners can accept a request to a team, we can accept from Tom now, and we can see he's back in our team. And we can also see right here, we have the same joined events as this team has. So we can also browse events, see the latest ones ongoing, upcoming. We can search for some old events, maybe see all the information, but this one has been concluded. We can now just join an event. So we'll go to this one. We'll join this event. We request it. Now we're going to log out right here, and we're going to sign in as the organizer, which is the owner of that event. So we can see right here, this is Judo Space, and right here we have Judo Space. We can accept the request to join. And now, if we go back to the dashboard, we can see Zeppelin is now in Judo Space. And we can see this on dashboard as well. We're competing now in this event. We can check our accounts. We can, browse different events, and all these events, their status is pretty much being changed automatically by the server based on the event date when it changes. This has been my project. I'm looking for a full stack position or a front-end position remotely, or based in the UK. Thank you so much for watching and for your patience.
Thank you very much, David. Now it's Leon's turn.
Hello, can you hear me?
Loud and clear.
Let me know if you can see my screen as well.
Yes, we can see it.
All right. Hi, everybody. My name is Leon, and I'm going to present you my project, which is practically a solution for groups of people. It's a solution to connecting groups of people with common plans or interests, such as fundraising, trips, saving, or any other activity that may involve the contribution of money. The app was inspired, of course, by personal experience when I was part of a fundraising event, and we had a lot of issues keeping track of the progress since we were relying on spreadsheets and other inconvenient solution. The app itself is designed to be easy and simple for the user to use and to track easily each personal contribution as well as the general group status. So to get started, one needs the email address and password to log in the platform. And upon landing on the homepage, the user will be able to access all the groups in which they belong to, and also see the balance of each group. They will also have the access to the group members as well as each group member's contribution. And on the top here, they have also option to add some new, let's say, task or notes or even description of the group. And if it's some tasks that needs to be prioritized, they can even move them around with the drag and drop option. Editing tasks is easy. It's double click on the task and put the name you want, and then press enter, and the task will be updated. If we jump on the group page, this is where the user have more functionality regarding the group, because they can search group by a group name or even members of the group. They can create a new group. They can edit the group, even delete the group. And more conveniently, they can add members in the group. So to add a member, all we need is just the email address of the person we want to invite and set the role in which they will be taking part in the group and send them the invitation. So as soon as the invitation is sent, so let's try to be the invited person this time. You can see that they will receive an email, which will be holding an invitation link, of course, with a small message of who invited them and which group they want to join. And upon clicking on the link, of course, if they are not already on the platform, they will be asked to join the platform, which is a really simple process. Upon signing up, of course, as a first user, they will have small messages, welcome messages that explain how the platform works in detail, so that they will at least have an idea of what they are joining to. And upon clicking on getting started, they will be added to the group. You can see that now this user have one group since they have been invited. So if we go back to our admin who invited them, you can see that now the user has been added. And from now here, they can even start adding how much money this user has contributed, which will be added to the total of the group. You can see here. For also more convenient and organization, admins can also, or people or users can also move around the group with the drag and drop option if you want to organize your groups in order or in priority and more. For those who are not comfortable with the light mode, there is also an option to change into dark mode and have the best user experience. The app really offers more features, which I didn't show because of time, but the good is that the app is already online, so feel free to access it through this link and explore yourself. Thank you so much. I'm open working online or even relocation in Europe or anywhere in the world. And I'm also open to working in both front end and back end or even full stack positions. And feel free to visit my GitHub profile and my LinkedIn profile, as well as my portfolio website. Thank you so much.
Awesome. Thank you very much, Leon. Now it's Abiodun's turn to present.
Can you hear me?
Yes, it's working.
Yeah, I'm just gonna share my screen. Can you see my screen as well?
Yes, we can.
Okay. Hi, I'm Abiodun, a full stack developer from UK, Stevenage. Today, I'll be giving you a debrief about my project called Surider Care Assist. The stack in building this application frontend are Redux, React, and Bootstrap, as well as MongoDB, Node, and Express for the backend. The purpose of this application is to assist care home in tracking the well-being of their patient, as well as to monitor the staffs are doing their work properly. This is my staff page where staff can search patient by their name or sort patient by their unit. On clicking on any of these view patient profile, you can read more about patient history, such as their medical history and their diseases, and more informations. Here at the top bar, you can see the list of tasks that you need to record each time you offer them to a patient. Now, let's quickly record food that we've offered for this patient. I'm just going to click this. I'm going to select the period of lunch, and today, date, also time. I can put any time, and what I've offered is pasta. And here I'm going to select full plate because I've just offered full plate and the patient has refused this meal. And on clicking on save, the application saves into the database automatically. And the good thing is I can always view what I've saved here, as well as what other colleagues have saved previously for this particular patient. There you can click on next and navigate through other tasks that you want to record if need be, and that takes me to my admin page. Here is my admin page where admin have the full access to this application. Here you can see this chart show the progress of admission per month. Here we have 11 patients in January. February we have 8 patients. March we have 4 patients, and April we have 5 patients. So this increases depending on the admission amount. And we have the list of new admission down here, as well as the new of users. On clicking on patients, admin can search patients by their name or by their word, depending on what they want to filter or search for. Here you click on the records, admin can see all the list of records that have been recorded by staff, either the food or the fluid or the bowel. So if admin click on any of this record and nothing is being recorded, they can always question the staff or the management what is going on. Here, admin can also create a new user depending on what they want, and also delete new user if the user no longer belongs to the organization. Here, I'm just going to delete. Sorry about that. I'm just going to delete what I've just created now, and it's off there. Admin can also edit patient information, should in case a patient has been discharged or moved to another unit, and also delete any patient if they don't need them any longer. That is gone. So this is my application flow, and there's other functionalities that I'm not able to show due to time. Once again, my name is Abiodun. I'm a full stack developer from Stevenage, UK. You can reach out to me via my LinkedIn, Abiodun Akiloton, or my GitHub to see more of my project, KMoney147. I'm looking for a role of full stack developer across UK, either on site or outreach. And I want to say thank you to Epicode for taking me through this project and this journey so far. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much.
Awesome. Thanks for your presentation. And now it's time for Damien to present.
Good day, everyone. Can you hear me right?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Hello, everyone. My name is Damien, a former military worker that wanted to change something in his life and decided to try IT. It was a hard journey since I started without even knowledge of what HTML was. So I'm glad to announce that it worked quite well. As you can see here, I will just log in and register. My project of Capstone is basically a workout website that, besides having all the basic functionality, allows user to browse through workouts, post their own created ones, and integrate them into their own calendar. If we go into the main page, we can see the newest ones, as well as we can go to the workouts, browse through the created ones, through the pages. Here, we can search what we wish for and add our new one. Let us create a test one to show how it works. We can add as many exercises as we wish. And once it's added, we can view it here with exercises appended to it, just like we wished. If we go here, we have ability to favorite every one that we want. So let us favorite some of them. And going from here, if we go to our calendar, they are appended in our list, allowing us to store them in the day and hour we wish. This was my project. For my project, I used React Redux for the front-end part, including Redux Persist, Cloudinary for image upload, React Bootstrap, and many more packages. When it comes to my backend, it was created using MongoDB, allowing me to make a database for all the users' workouts to be stored without the need for external API. For the last words, I just wanted to say it was both hard and fun experience, and I'm looking forward to all of us finding a job we wish for. If you wish to contact me, I'm looking for both front-end and back-end work remotely on also in every region of Poland, mostly in Tri-City if possible. Here is my LinkedIn, and feel free to contact me here or through my email. Thank you very much.
Awesome. Thank you very much. Now it's Agata's turn.
Hello, everyone.
Hello.
Okay, just to confirm, can you see my screen?
Yes.
Perfect. Hello, everyone. I'm Agata from Poland. In my previous life, I was an architect, and now I am proud to say that I can add a full stack developer title to my name. I've always been an ecology enthusiast, and the way people treat their belongings has bummed me. We buy too much stuff we don't necessarily need and throw away perfectly good items. With the fresh knowledge I've gathered in Epicode Bootcamp, I've created a solution. I'd like to introduce you to Swap. The main goal of Swap is to promote sustainability and reduce waste by encouraging people to follow circular economy approach. Buying is not the only way of getting good quality items. Imagine that you just did some spring cleanings and have a bunch of stuff that is no longer serving you but is in good condition and you want to get rid of it. Simply create an account on Swap and find someone that could make use of it. I'm already logged in, so let's quickly add a product. I'm adding a title, a short description, selecting the category and the product condition. I can also attach a picture, so let's do that. So we see the product successfully added, and now when we go to the home page, we can see that our product is displayed on the recently added list and is available for others to take. Let's go to the products page. Here we have 6 main categories. Each click on category icon filters products accordingly. For more specific search, we can also use the search bar. Now let's select something. And here we can either adopt it already or ask about products. So let's ask Agata if this item is available. Okay, we have a green light from Agata. So let's adopt the product, because in Swap, you don't buy, you adopt the products. And let's go to the user dashboard. In here, we can see the products that we've added, the reviews from other users, and the history. And in the history, we see the product that we've just adopted. And we can add a review to the user that we got it from. That's the basic flow of my app. I used the MERN stack, Material UI library, and JW token for authentication. Huge thanks to teachers, TAs, and my amazing colleagues for this crazy ride. I was starting with zero coding experience, and I'm amazed of how much I've learned in these past months, and I'm hungry for more. My name is Agata Arminska, and I'm open for junior full stack or backend developer positions, ideally remotely around Europe. Feel free to reach me out on the hiring platform or directly on LinkedIn. Thank you for your attention and happy swapping.
Thank you very much, Agata. Now it's
Thank
Morgan's
you.
turn.
All right, can you see me and hear me? All working? Nice. Let me
It's
share
working.
screens. All right. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Morgan, and my project is called Sentinel Solutions, which is a company that sells security solutions like password managers and also offers stuff like guides and stuff how to stay safe on the internet. This is the homepage, which is just going to go through a list of the features. They also, if you want support, you can click there. First, I'll show the login. So you can log in with your account. Then it would take you to your page where you can log in, see your stuff. If you wanted to subscribe to like a plan to get access to the premium features, such as a password manager, you would click here. You could click, change plan, fill in your credit card information, and then click subscribe. You'd see that I'm subscribed to the 2-year subscription, so it expires in 2025. You can cancel it. You can change your payment method from PayPal. If you do subscribe, you'll get access to your password manager, which is one of the main features of their software, which would be you could, save your passwords into your password manager. You can create new fields, such as you can change the phone username, the website it's on. You can also edit existing ones to change a password, for example. You can share it with other people that have a subscription. So you could share your passwords with family members to share like an account on like Amazon or something. There's also the guides, which if you're a writer, if you have the role writer, you can create guides, which would go here, and you could filter by like, for example, a topic. If there isn't anything in the topic, you can't show it. You can also search for like, say, top tips. You see that. Next, if you're an admin, you can access the admin dashboard, which has got a bunch of statistics and a bunch of insights and also customer support. So if a user needs support, you would see it here. I'm going to give a quick example of that now. So if user would see this chat button at the bottom, they click it, they connect to an agent, and then the agent would see it appear in the dashboard. So they could join. They could be like, hi, and the agent could be like, I need help with X, and then they could reply and the chat. They could even call if they needed to use mobile phone for support, or they could use video call, or they could share screens as well with that feature. So they could help the user out with whatever they're struggling with. But that was my project. Thank you for your time. As I said, I'm based in the United Kingdom, and I'm looking for a backend job, or I can also do full stack. You can find my portfolio on the hiring platform or at morganevans.dev, which has a link to all my socials and LinkedIn and stuff like that. So thank you for your time. Have a nice day.
Awesome. Thank you very much, Morgan. Now it's Sandro's turn.
Can you hear me loud?
Loud and clear.
Let me share my screen. Screen check.
Working.
Okay, perfect. Hello, everyone. My name is Sandro, and I'm a full stack developer residing in Rome, Italy. Although I studied chemistry and biology in school and worked as an electrician for most of my career, I made a decision to change my career path about a year ago. This led me to discover Epicode. For my capstone project, I focused on addressing the issue of skyrocketing product prices and their impact on people's lives. To tackle this problem, I developed a solution that makes it easier to find the cheapest option for a given grocery list, and I decided to call it Basket Buddy. In my web application, the user simply decides whatever he wants to buy. Let's say I'm going to buy some ground beef and some lettuce. Let's keep it Roman since I'm from Rome. And the user can simply click on the card here and search for stores, and all the stores that have those items available will be displayed here. Let's say I will remove the Roman lettuce from the card, since this is obviously a butcher store. It has the most expensive one, and I search for them again. The order will obviously be displayed differently. If we want to check the items, we can go and check the informations that the stores displayed for us and compare them directly here, or go immediately to the products page, where we can see the products info in general and like the stores from the cheapest to the most expensive option. We can even check all the stores and where all the stores info and where they're located with the map. So that was my project. Once again, I'm Sandro Jerna. I'm available for work, and I'm looking for preferably a backend position, but I'm available for full stack or front end, relocating or on distance. You can find my portfolio on the hiring platform, or you can feel free to connect with me on LinkedIn.
Awesome. Thank you very much, Sandro. And now it's Martin's turn.
Hello, everyone.
Hello.
So my name is Martin. I'm originally from Czech Republic, but currently based in United Kingdom. But shortly I'll be relocating to Warsaw, Poland. My background is mostly hospitality. So for my project, I decided to go with Liquid Library, which is a website where people can share their mixology creations, recipes for various cocktails and such. Let me start by changing the user experience to my preferred UX. And in this website, we can look for recipes. We can see some of them. We can view the recipe, but we can also add some more recipes. Where we can change, we can choose the units. And we can submit it. And at that point, we will see it either down here on the recipes. We can search for it as well. My name was Martin Kotas. And with signing out, I thank you for your time.
Awesome. Thank you very much, Martin. Now we should have Mohamed with us. Okay. Mohamed, can you share your screen? Wait, let me see. Technical difficulties. Oh, now I see you.
Hello, hi. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Yes. Sorry, my Zoom is, I don't know, it was quit.
No worries.
Hi, give me 1 minute.
Yeah, ready when you are.
So now you can see my screen, right?
Yes.
So my name is Muhammad. Good afternoon, everyone. And today I'll be presenting my Mernstech online shop. My project was built using Mongo Express, React, and Node.js. So website has a two-site, admin and homepage. So let's get started with homepage. As you can see, it's simple and easy to navigate. Our customers can browse their laptop by brand and the feature, and they can also search any specific using search bar. And when a customer selects a laptop, they can see their specific their specs, images, and reviews from other customer. And when they select any laptop to cart, so it's securely to check out, and says there's the address section and payment section secured by Stripe payment as place order. And as you can see here, your profile when you joined, and you can see their order list. You can update your profile, and you can see what you ordered and what's going on with your product. So now let's start it with the admin page. From the admin page, we can add, edit, and delete laptops, as well as update their specs and images. We can also view and manage customer information, such as names, emails, address, and order history. There's a charters with how many sales you have, their products. You can add products from here, orders, ordered. So finally, we can view it and process order, including shipping detail, awaiting, confirm it, ship it, or deliver it. And you can see from contact page and who try to contact from here about their delivery. So thank you for taking time, learn about the website. If you have any question, please feel free to contact me on LinkedIn. I'm looking my first job in my career as a full stack developer or as a backend developer. Thank you so much.
Awesome. Thank you very much. And now I think we're done with students. I will leave the stage to Alessia, Head of B2B and Placement at Epicode.
Hello, everyone. Can you hear me? Okay, amazing. So thank you for all people joining this event. But I think first thing first, we should say a big thanks to our students and also a big congrats to all of you. I think you did a very good job. I'm really amazed by all the project you presented, and really proud of the artwork you have been doing, especially in your pitch. I know that for some of you has been something really difficult to take everything in these 3 minutes. So for you, newly graduated, we're gonna start soon a new journey. I hope as good as the one that you come to finish. For today, you can celebrate this good day this good day of graduation. For all the people watching us, thank you for staying with us till this moment. Thank you for celebrating with our students, especially on the YouTube section with all the comments and stuff. And I hope you enjoyed more than anything. I wish you a pleasant evening and to see you soon at the next demo day. Bye-bye.